Hi, my name is Ruel and I'm from the Strategic Partnerships team. I handle various clients and having worked at EduBridge for more than 2 years, I have seen it grow tremendously. My experience here in EduBridge has been superb. I would describe EduBridge as very friendly, which shows that all the employees engage with one another in a very positive way throughout the workday, which in turn builds team spirit. EduBridge as a company is also very inspiring and motivating to the employees. The employees and the teams work well together cross functionally to accomplish their goals. The manager also trusts their subordinates equally. And last but not the least, there's very much flexibility in EduBridge, be it time or work. Also, the culture here is superb to work. Thank you.